wanting to die. Since you ask, most days I cannot remember. I walk in my clothing, unmarked by that voyage. Then the almost unnameable lust returns. Even then I have nothing against life. I know well the grass blades you mention, the furniture you have placed under the sun. But suicides have a special language. Like carpenters, they want to know which tools. They never ask why build. Twice I have so simply declared myself, have possessed the enemy, eaten the enemy, have taken on his craft, his magic. In this way, heavy and thoughtful, warmer than oil or water, I have rested, drooling at the mouthful. I did not think of my body at needlepoint. Even the cornea and the leftover urine were gone. Suicides have already betrayed the body. Stillborn, they don't always die, but dazzled, they can't forget a drug so sweet that even children would look on and smile. To thrust all that life under your tongue, that all by itself becomes a passion. Death's a sad bone, bruised you'd say, and yet she waits for me year after year to so delicately undo an old wound, to empty my breath from its bad prison. Balanced there, suicides sometimes meet, raging at the fruit, a pumped-up moon, leaving the bread they mistook for a kiss, leaving the page of the book carelessly open, something unsaid, the phone off the hook, and the love, whatever it was, an infection.
Well, sir, I used to be right smart on skates when I was a boy down home. Yes, sir, I could outskate anything on our mill pond. Well, there wasn't hardly anything I couldn't do on skates. Well, I got down here to New York, and I was walking around and looking at things, and I seen a place with a sign on it. It said skating. Well, out loud, I'd just go in and have a skate. Well, I went in there, and the feller said to me, "Do you know how to skate?" I told him I calculated is how I did. Well, he called a little boy over to me, and he strapped a pair of little toy automobiles on my feet and said, "Now don't forget the skate, boy."